Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet and as you can see over here we are at BIC and we are gonna drive this. Now this is the MG Cyberster. Obviously it is the world's fastest MG. As you can see over here we are driving this red car. And little specifications about this car. So this produces almost 510 PS of power, 725 Nm of peak torque, 0 to 100. They claim that comes in at 3.2 seconds, which is blistering fast. And guys, this thing is for 75 lakh rupees ex showroom. For that price, what you get, you can see you get scissor doors, you get a convertible soft top roof, and you get a staggered setup. That's a 245 and that's a 275 section tire. It's a brilliant looking car. Let me just go around. You can see you get side skirts over here, front splitters, a cool looking headlamp with DRLs, and yeah, it's a long bonnet. Obviously you don't have a frunk over here, but you do get a boot in this. Frunk is absent because obviously there are two motors, front and back, but this is the boot. And yeah, you have a lot of space, almost around 240 liters of boot space. Cyberster badging right over here, and that is how the rear section looks like. Obviously you get these arrows that are right now lit up, but these are the indicators as well. You get a rear diffuser, looks absolutely phenomenal. And right now we are gonna go to the track and do some high speed lap with the Cyberster. Okay guys, so now we're gonna hit the track a little bit on the inside. As you can see, you have a screen over here. That's a 7-inch, 10.25, and that's the flat bottom steering wheel. And we have a small guest with us over here. What mode are we putting it on?
So we'll head out in comfort, and for the launch we'll put it in super sport.
Okay, so this is for steering?
No, that is for modes.
Okay, this is for the modes.
Yeah, you can press it and that puts on super sport.
No, so how many modes are there?
Comfort,
Sport and custom. Alright, so three modes over here, and then there's super sport. Alright, shall we go?
Yeah.
So over here what you see, there are two noise induction sounds that's coming from the speakers. Since it's an electric car, I'll put it on. What is this? This is some... Oh, that was the introduction.
Yeah,
oh, that was the introduction. Alright. Okay, so now we're gonna exit the pit. We're gonna go at the back straight and we're gonna do a launch from there, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Right now we're in comfort mode. Let us quickly.
We have 3 laps.
Okay.
Maybe we can try the launch on the second lap. Let the tires heat up. You're the
Yeah,
first
sure.
person in the day.
So can we just go for a lap?
Let's go for a
And
lap. You've driven here before, right?
yeah. Damn, the bite from the brakes is like epic.
Yeah.
Brembo 4-pot calipers. Nice. Can we put a different mode over here?
Yeah.
Okay, super sport.
Yeah. That's it.
Not doing a launch right now, we're just warming up the tires. So, oh my god, this thing is quick. 150, 180, 200. This thing is basically, it's limited. The version that comes in China, it's actually, that goes up to 255 kilometers. But this is restricted, so 210 is what we can achieve. But the way it goes till 210 is just something you need to experience it for yourself. Wow, no wonder they call it the fastest MG in the world. Now I know why.
Slow. The corners now build up.
So we're in super sport mode now. Morning intruders. And now we're gonna hit the Parabolica. Don't worry, I won't let it slide out. The way this thing accelerates, wow, it's just amazing. Okay, so now we are in the
Brake.
start finish line.
Stop.
We'll stop over here. We'll do a launch, right?
Do a launch.
Corners hard.
Yeah. Just start finish.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the launch. Left on the brake. Should I just floor and leave the? Alright. We have some RPM building in, and 3, 2, 1. Then we'll touch 200, even cross 200. Just look at the way it's going. There you go.
Mods work.
Oh, it's not supposed to be. There's an instant reaction.
Yeah.
I think the good part about this is that when you keep it off, it will be off until you switch it on. No matter you switch off the car, the ADAS system is very nice. It's calibrated as per India. The traction control is calibrated as per Indian road conditions. And obviously, as I mentioned, it's slightly detuned as far as the top speed goes. We're not allowed to push it right now because of the rules that VIC has set because of wet weather conditions. But trust me, that itch is there to just belt it around. I know he's sitting next to me and he won't allow that, but still. Nice. This thing corners really hard. I mean, though the suspension is slightly on the softer side, not very hard. It's not very stiff, but when you're cornering, it is tuned in such a way that it will actually just hold the lines. And since this has a 50-50 weight distribution and a 60-40 power split between the front and the rear wheels, so we're gonna do a last lap, and we're not gonna belt it hard. Sorry for that, guys, but it's protocol due to wet weather conditions. It's a little cramped on the inside, but honestly, it does not feel that bad. Once you start driving it, and you have to drive one to experience what I'm telling you, the way this thing handles, the way this thing corners is something extraordinary. It is just amazing.